Johnny Boy Bates. Attempting the skim
Hey,
board.
when you get in the shade it is.
Holy shit.
I better go get some more towels.
Mom, I'm not hungry.
Okay. Well, I'll still go get some more towels.
It takes a couple of times until you get the right one. And then if you get the right one, you just hope you don't fall on your ass.
Careful, Dada. He's careful, Dada.